It's a beautiful day, race fans, here at US 131 Motorsports Park. It's time for Fuel Factory Saturday 250K main event.
Is it worth the risk to keep on going?
Sure, to win.
Final 250K, our inaugural one here at US 131. Joe, what's your initial reaction, man, being in the final?
Yeah, I think JP and Meighan first, because that's not my car.
That's fair.
And I didn't have a car when I got on the plane here.
Because yours broke, right? The guy you were going to drive, right? Adam.
This is really unexpected.
Awesome. Mr. Buchner, what are you feeling, man? You're about to run for 200, big money.
Doesn't even feel real.
Heck yeah. Good luck.
Let's go, baby!